So multiplying fractions, we talked about that before. You just multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 7 is 35. Dividing is almost as easy. There's a little limerick for it. Dividing by a fraction is easy as pi. You flip the second fraction and change it to multiply. So let's take a look at what happens here. I'll write it I'll write what the changes are in red. 3/5 stay the same. Division becomes multiplication. And the second fraction is flipped over. You take the reciprocal of it. Well, now it's just a multiplication problem. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. And there's your answer. Reduce if you can. The same exact rules apply if you're working with rational expressions. 4 over 15n cubed divided by 1225n. Flip the second and multiply, so the 4 over 15n cubed stays the same. Change it to multiplication. Notice I'm using a dot instead of x now. That way I don't mistake it for a variable somehow. And you flip the second. Now, this is definitely one of those cases you might see some ways to reduce it down. I'm not going to at first here. 4 times 25 is 100n. And 15 times 12. 15 times 12. 15 times 12 is 180 n cubed. So, first thing, actually the easier part here is to deal with the variables. N divided by n cubed is 1 over n squared. And the 100 and the 180 were both divisible by 10, which gives us 10 over 18. And those are both divisible by 2, which gets us 5 over 9n squared. And that's how you divide rational expressions.